guys, welcome back to my channel In Sync with Shreya. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazingly well. I'm doing amazingly well because finally I'm in Bangalore and I can go out, but obviously with proper restrictions and measures and all of that. But today we are going to Hogenakkal Falls, which is in Tamil Nadu, and I've heard that the borders have opened and e-passes are not required. I'll give you more information on that as we proceed. But with two of my other friends, we are going to Hogenakkal Falls in our private car. So stay tuned to see what all fun we have today.
Hi.
So we're all ready and with all the precautions and sanitization and masking and social distancing, we are ready to proceed. It was really difficult to find a place for breakfast, but we've taken a quick stop at this place by the road. I don't know the area at all. It's really difficult to pronounce, but probably we'll have a dosa or something and I'll show you. So Chigo, breakfast done. Are you ready to proceed towards, what is the name of the place? Hogenakkal Falls.
Yes, we are completely ready.
No, we are having coffee. We'll have a little bit of coffee and then we'll start. Here's Chico's trusted car. Okay, I forgot to introduce Chico and I've also forgotten to introduce Manoj. Manoj, come say hi. This is Manoj. So this is their car. They are kind enough to take me along in the ride and offer me a ride and go to the falls with me. Otherwise, मैं तो अकेली कहाँ बेचारी औरत कहाँ घूमूंगी. So we'll catch you on the way. क्विक अपडेट. वी थॉट हम लोग को आने नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि अभी भी यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन कम्प्लीटली ईज नहीं हुआ है. ई पास लग रहा है एंड टूरिस्ट मूवमेंट इज नॉट अलाउड, but we were not aware of that. We thought movement has started, but any which way they are charging a little fine and they're letting you go with obviously proper security and measures and whatever that you need to take for corona. But हाँ, आने को मिल गया है. अब जाके देखते हैं what is the scene, how is everything, whether boats are plying or not. I'll keep you posted. So we have arrived. We are waiting for the boat person to come. We have a person who helped them take a ride last time, so they had the contact details. I'll put the contact details maybe in the video or in the description box below so that you people can also come and contact him. So we're waiting for him to come, then we'll take you there.
Okay, so while at it, let me give you a few pointers here. Now, because of the corona situation and because travels are just now being allowed and permitted, the crowd is very, very less. And of course, it has been a while that they have not been open and it was closed for the longest time. So all the boat sailors, the ones that make a living out of this, do not have much work. So if you people can please go there and support them whenever with whatever safety you can, would be amazing. Also, I'll give you a few informations here. Now, because of the corona situation, the main entrance is closed. So they take you from the back side. Hence, you do not have to stand in lines or queues and you do not have to collect life jackets because, of course, for corona, life jackets have been stopped.
all seated on this round boat. There's Chigun, there's Manoj, and here's our boat uncle. Now we're going, we're sailing.
Can I
We got down off, we crossed that bit and we got off there, and now we have to walk up until there and climb onto another boat, and then we'll finally reach the waterfall, hopefully. I'm not sure what is happening, but let's find out together. There's a wonderful waterfall. So now we are on another similar boat, and we've already seen the fountain. I've taken beautiful shots of that. I'll show you people. Now we are again traveling on this beautiful water and floating away to glory. You can see another fountain right there. So I think we'll reach that. But you know, I'll take some cinematic shots for you all.
So you can see far away there's that waterfall. That is the main waterfall of Hogenekel Falls, and that is where you're generally taken. Because the water was a little higher than normal, we were not taken that far, but the entire scene is that's the most enjoyable part actually, when the water is a little lower around in May and June, when the monsoon hasn't hit yet. They take you under the waterfalls and they take you in the boat, so you don't have to get off from the boat. They take you inside the waterfall and you can actually stay under the water for a little while, and that's really a fun thing to do. So try visiting this place as soon as possible in the season. So May, June is the best time, because once it starts raining, the water rises and it is difficult for the boat people to take you that close to the falls.
So now considerably the water is way less, but ये बता रहे हमारे जो बोट चालक हैं कि अगर जब मानसून प्रॉपरली स्टार्ट हो जाता है तो पानी उतने ऊपर तक चला जाता है कि मतलब इट विल कवर अप द एंटायर रॉक, तो कुछ नहीं रॉक का दिखेगा, इतना पानी हो जाता है यहाँ पे जब मानसून स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो आई थिंक दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी रिस्की अराउंड दैट टाइम टू इवन थिंक ऑफ कमिंग हियर विदाउट अ लाइफ जैकेट. बट अभी तो फ़िलहाल पानी बहुत कम है, तो अगर आना है तो आ ही सकते हो आप लोग. But it's literally going and rounds in the middle of the water. So we came all the way from there, and that's where our boat has been parked. वहाँ पे रुका के बोट हमको बोला गया कि यहाँ पे आ जाओ, और यहाँ पे व्यू इतना प्यारा व्यू है पिक्चर्स के लिए और सब के लिए. तो यहाँ पे एक सैंड बीच सा बना हुआ है, तो अगर आप पानी में उतरना चाहो तो उस तरफ का पानी बहुत शैलो है, उसमें आप जाके नहा भी सकते हो. And otherwise, if you want to take pictures, if you want to roam around for a bit, stay here for a bit, that is also allowed. So we've been taking pictures for a while, and I think we're almost done now. We'll be getting back in the boat again. that part is Karnataka and this part is Tamil Nadu. And this is the Kaveri river in between, which there's so much conflict about, but that's what. So the borders share Kaveri river, both the states share Kaveri river. Also what we figured out is that sand area that we saw, if you tell the boat people beforehand, they can actually set up tents for you so that you can spend the night here. वो लोग खाना सब कुछ बना के दे देंगे आपको, आप वहाँ रह सकते हो आराम से, वही आपका सब कुछ देखभाल कर लेंगे, सब कुछ कर लेंगे, वो भी सामने ही रहेंगे. So that's something you people can try. Maybe we'll try at some point of time. Now it is comparatively very very less crowded. मतलब crowd है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल ही crowd नहीं है, because it just started opening up. And I think it's a wonderful time to come. Also, if you can see that white mark there, till there, the water reached even like 3 days ago. The water was still there. वहाँ तक पानी पहुँच गया था. पर अभी फिर से हम लोग started on the way back. Our boat uncle, he is very good. He's taken ample lot of care of us. He'll give you his name and his number. Please note it down. Anna.
944 madam.
944
27
27
34
34
026.
026.
Boat number 14.
Boat number 14. Anna, name?
Name Rajendra.
Rajendra. Okay. Thank you, Anna.
Although the main waterfall is a little out of reach currently because the high waters, these small waterfalls are still accessible, and you can see in the other boat there are people who have gotten off the boat and are taking a shower. We were also advised by a boat person to do it, but we were not equipped to get into the water. We were not carrying clothes or anything of that sort, so we chose not to. If there's not much crowd and you people want to take a bath under the waterfall, you can do it. There is an option.
So we've been told by our boat uncle that this is the rock where Ravan was shot, the one with Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai, where Aishwarya supposedly jumped from this rock into the water. Did she jump into the water? She jumped into the water supposedly.
She didn't do it.
Of course, a body double did, but the shot was that she jumped from it. How was the trip, Chiku? How did you feel after a long time? I'm sure you also came out of your house after a long time.
Yeah, after 3 months, 4
Yeah.
months, I guess.
So
It was amazing.
yeah, much needed, and it was completely empty. So if you people want to go and visit, now is the time. Hurry up and go and see the place and come back. इसके बाद लंबे क्यूज लगने वाले, एक बार सब कुछ खुल जाएगा जब officially. So after coming to Bangalore, we were very hungry, famished completely. तो हम लोग आ गए Copper Kitchen में, and we had lovely Tamilian Bangalorean food or अच्छा biryani and all of that we have had. And now we are full. Now we are very sleepy, very tired. Evidently, like you can see. So here's signing off. If you like the video, please like it. If you have anything to say, please share it in the comments.
Please like, subscribe and share to my friend's channel. I know you won't regret.
For today, here's signing off. Be kind, stay happy.